Air conditioning and allergies. How to avoid respiratory problems at home. Air conditioning is a valuable resource for ensuring thermal comfort, especially during times of intense heat. However, many people are concerned about the impact of this device on air quality and respiratory allergies. Improper use of air conditioning can, in fact, contribute to respiratory problems, but with some care it is possible to enjoy a climate-controlled environment without compromising your health. 1. Keep the device clean regularly. The accumulation of dust and particles in the air conditioning filters is one of the main causes of respiratory problems. When the filters are dirty, the device ends up spreading pollutants throughout the environment, aggravating allergies and other discomforts. Therefore, it is important to clean the filters regularly, according to the manufacturer's instructions, and perform more complete maintenance at least once a year to ensure healthier air. 2. Use specific filters for allergy sufferers. Nowadays, many air conditioning units come with HEPA filters or antibacterial filters, which are ideal for allergy sufferers. These filters can capture dust mites, bacteria, and other agents that often trigger allergic reactions. Before purchasing an air conditioner, it is worth checking whether it has these types of filters and, if possible, replacing them periodically as recommended by the manufacturer. 3. Control the humidity of the environment. Extremely dry or humid environments can aggravate respiratory problems. Using the air conditioner can reduce the humidity in the air, making the environment uncomfortable for those with allergies or suffering from airway irritation. To get around this problem, one option is to use a humidifier together with the air conditioner or keep containers of water in the environment to balance the humidity and ensure a healthier climate. Conclusion: using the air conditioner with attention to maintenance care, choosing specific filters, and controlling humidity can make a big difference in avoiding respiratory problems at home. This means you can enjoy thermal comfort without compromising your health, especially for those who suffer from allergies.